Hey guys, so I'm in a pretty much empty building. It is 9:05 a.m. Today's Friday. So the schools were closed. You know, lights are on and stuff, but it's pretty vacant. What am I trying to say? The schools were closed.
Pardon this interruption, Mr. Claude, please come to the main office, Mr. Claude.
But they asked teachers to come in if they needed to get their papers to grade and take home. So that's what I will be doing in my handy dandy carrier and bag. Sorry, it's so dark. Let me turn my light on. Much better, huh? So now I must sort through this to see what I can take home and that. All right, you guys. Bye. Yeah, so I'm here. Okay, but I don't even know where to start because I have so much to grade when I get home. You know what? I'm gonna see if I can put some grades in first, then only take home what I need to take home. Bye. Hey y'all, so I'm finished at work. I'm debating whether or not I want to go to the track. You can see the skies are totally gray. Totally getting those snow clouds. So I'm gonna get out of here. See you guys later. Bye.
Especially if you're getting ready to go on a fruity vacation in February. Yep, also, orthotics, super cute orthotic sandals on Polaris price at $66.72. We have never offered these this low before. You're saving $13 off the regular PVC price. Your shipping and handling is already included, so you don't have to worry about adding any more there. And you get 4 months to pay for it. And this is available in medium and wide breads, which is huge. In full sizes only, so how do I put sizing? So if you're doing a half size, size down, so I'm half of that, if you still the half size, you can put the half size. Let's go through some colors, shall we? Yeah. So we'll start down here by Leah. So we started
Oh, hey y'all. I'm talking a little loud because my TV is on and I don't feel like my remote is, issues. But anyway, so I'm about to read more of my book. I just think I just did a clip of painting my nails. This is how they turned out. It's okay. I just couldn't decide which one. You know how I am. So. But anyway, we're reading Variant. It's really, really good so far. You know what I don't do is I don't read the backs of books until I'm finished. So I haven't read this part, and I really don't want to because I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to know too much about stuff that I read. So I'm here now at a very crucial part. The main character dude just found out something really, 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 really creepy about this school. So it's I really like this book. I mean, I will say it had like a couple of slow passages, but nothing that's too slow. Like they made up for it. She made up for it. He made up for it. Who wrote this book? So he made up for it very well. There's not much background, like character background, and I think it's not really necessary yet. I think we'll learn more right here at the end. I don't think there are any previews for any books at the back of this one. Let me see. I don't think so. No. Alright, so let me continue with chapter 18. These